I'm gonna sell my luxury bags and accessories, so if you like this type of video, just stay on this one. Hi everyone, I hope you guys are fine. I'm very happy to be back on this video and on this YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be about the bags I'm gonna sell and accessories I'm gonna sell. Some of them are mine. Well, they are all mine, but some of them are articles, items that I'm wearing, I was wearing actually, and I want to sell, and others are items that I'm just gonna sell them because now I have a big news. I just create my own company. It's gonna be like about selling luxury items online, so I'm so freaking happy. You can't believe how much I'm so happy because I was doing this like for me and for my friends, but I have more and more people asking for this, like, I want this bag, can you source it for me? Oh, I saw this one, do you still have it? I want to buy it, and so on. So this is why I'm doing this, and I'm so happy because I love luxury items, I love bags, I love luxury shoes, luxury accessories, and I'm finally able to work on it, like, completely. So I'm so happy. If you don't know me yet, I'm Margot, I'm French. I live in Barcelona in Spain. I'm 27 years old. Yes, I know. And I love luxury items. I'm sorry in advance for my accent. I always say this in my video because I'm not fluent in English and I try to improve my English, so just be nice to me. And I know I have like a French accent, but I try to improve, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy my video. So let's go. I'm gonna start with this amazing Chanel bag. I love it. This is a new one I just received. This is a half moon Chanel bag. This is not leather, this is fabric, color black. Hardware is gold. The little part of here is a bit, you have like small scratches on it, but it's nothing, in very, very good condition. The bag is like almost brand new. It's in really good condition. You can just go on the website to after this video, BAM Luxury Store. I will put every link of the items in the description and the website too, so in order you can go and see it. I ship with DHL and I ship worldwide, so this is really interesting. You have every price on the website. You have everything, every information, every photos, all you need to know. So let's get into it again. So you can open like this, and inside you have the Chanel logo, of course. The chain is gold hardware too, and it's black leather here, so this is pretty nice. I put the paper in order not to damage the bag. Up, as you can see, the chain is here, so this is really, really nice. I love it. The chain is not very long on this one. I'm 1.60 meters, and the bag, when I wear it, is like going here, but you can still wear it like on the shoulder. This is perfect. So the inside of the bag is as new. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but I don't have the serial number inside anymore. I think it was like damaged and taken off, unfortunately. Like on vintage bag, sometimes you don't have a serial number, or it's like going off because it's not stick like very well inside, and sometimes on vintage bag it was taken off or it was too much damage. Anyway, I still had the serial number card, so at least I have this for this bag. It's very good condition, it's a vintage one, and it's a half moon. For the price, it's gonna be 2,110 euros in USD. I'm not sure for this one, I don't have the price in USD, so you can just go on the website and see. If you live in the US, you're gonna have a USD price on the website. I made the conversion of the website, so this is good. I'm just gonna put this in the bag again. Voila. So this is all for this one, and is available. Then I'm gonna go for this small Elise wallet. This is a Louis Vuitton wallet. The condition is good. I'm gonna show you why. On this part, you have like a coin pocket, so this is really good. I have a price here I'm gonna give you. This is a very good price. And also this one, it's like Chanel for less than 3,000 euros. This is just amazing. Like, guys, come on. Okay, so especially if you're American, if you see this video, you're gonna be like amazed. So this one has a coin pocket here, so this is pretty nice. The coin pocket is brand new, like it's very, very good condition. You also have up a part here for credit cards, and you can see the Louis Vuitton, and you have here for everything else, but here it's a bit damaged. As you can, I don't know if you're guys gonna see it. So it's a bit damaged because it's vintage, and I think it was like, yeah, too old, and so it starts damaging a bit, but it's not very big deal. So anyway, and the price is very good too, so you're gonna love it. And here it's a bit damaged too, like here, but this is not too much. This is still in good condition. This baby wallet, this is amazing. This one is like complete, and the size is perfect. Is 130 euros, guys. This is just amazing price. This is nothing. And in USD, I have a price just here. It's one approximately, because it can change with it can change every day. So it's approximate. You're gonna see on the website. You can have USD prices. So it's 127 US dollars. Depend on the auction price and stuff. And of course, it can change a bit, but approximately. Okay, we're gonna go for another bag. We're gonna go for this Louis Vuitton bag. It's called the Monceau bag. It's kind of a vintage métis pochette bag. Looks like you have like a top handle here in leather, brown leather. You have here attached for a strap. This bag is not sold with a strap, but you can still use the strap of a métis, of a multi pochette, or any of a bag. This is perfectly fine. This part is in leather too. You have leather on the side of the bag, on the bottom of the bag, and on this other side too. This is really good. The canvas is in pretty good shape, not too dry, so this is important. The corners are a bit dry either. This metallic part is have scratches, of course, this is vintage, but it still looks very good. You can open the bag, and inside it's brand new. Like the inside of the bag is just amazing because it's brand new. Like this is really amazing. I love it. Like this is very pretty and very charming. The only thing about this bag is here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. The leather starts to de-stitch it. Like the stitchings are going a bit away, starting to. This is repairable. You can still go to Louis Vuitton or someone who's just repairing like leather things, leather goods. It can still be like repaired, or if you know how to do it, you can do it. This bag is 560 euros. So this is a very good price for a Monceau bag, and it's in good condition. We're gonna go for the next luxury item I want to sell. These are mine. I wore them like a couple of times, but not very much. These are the Dior Walk and Jar sneakers. So this is monogram fabric. These are amazing. I'm not gonna keep them because I want to buy other pair of sneakers. I want white sneakers. I don't know which brand yet, but if you have any pair of sneakers you want to sell, just tell me in the comments. I'll be happy to watch them, to see them. So this is a size 37. It's written just here. This is my size, usually. You have a Christian Dior inside. The Christian starts to be like going a bit off because it's under the foot, so you know. But it's in very good condition actually. You have a sole, of course. This is a bit dirty, but I cleaned them. Retail price is 890 euros. This is a lot. And I'm gonna sell them for 500 euros. So this is a very good price. If you want them, just write me in the comments. They won't be available on the website because these are like mine personally. So if you want them, just write me in the comment or write me a message on Instagram directly. I will reply gladly. These babies are for sale for 500 euros. Another item I want to sell. This is this amazing Chanel bag. I know. This is the amazing Chanel bag. This one looks wow. I was like, I want to keep it for me, but I was like, I still need to sell it, you know, because I want to propose you some very nice selection of bags and luxury items. So I was like, no, Margot, you need to sell it. But, you know. Okay, so this one is a black suede kind of leather. This is amazing. You have, of course, Chanel logo here. On the back, it's also like suede. You have like kind of a mark here, like looks, I don't know what it is, but it's very thin. You don't really see it actually. The suede material is in very good condition. I don't think it was worn like maybe 1 or 2 times, but not much. On the inside, you have a logo Chanel, of course. Here you still have the paper, the protection paper. So you see, this is crazy. This bag, you have an inside one. You also have like the gold and leather chain. This is, no, actually, it's the gold and suede chain. So it's the suede strap. The inside of the bag is in very good condition too. It looks so fancy. It looks so cute, so pretty. Like, guys, I mean, this is kind of a wallet on chain, but better because it's bigger. I think it's a mix between the timeless and the classic flag timeless and the wallet on chain of Chanel. So this is the perfect bag to have, and the price is perfect too. The price is 1,900 euros. So this is literally a freaking good price. So if you want to get it, go get it on the website. It's gonna be available. Oh, I love it. Ooh, I'm gonna be so sad when this bag is gonna leave, like for real. So next bag I want to show you, and the last one of this selection is this amazing Keepall Louis Vuitton. This is a travel bag, so this is a big size. 55 is almost the biggest size. You have 60, but 55 is one of the biggest. This is in good condition. The canvas is in really good shape. It's not dry at all. So this is very important because usually the vintage one has very dry canvas. This one is definitely not dry. Also, I take care about all the bags. I put like baby cream on it and everything. I clean them and so on. So the leather part is in very, very good condition. You don't have like big spots, big damage or anything on the leather part. The handles are super great shape too. They were a bit like restitched by someone, a leather surgeon who did like the stitching a little bit again. So this is kind of brand new now. So this is perfect actually. You also have the etiquette. So this is really nice. The only thing on this bag is that on the corners, the corners were cut off and were remade. So it's a detail, but you can still see it sometimes. It's not like obvious. But here up, you can see it was like this corner, only 3, not the 4th one. Here too, you have it. This part no, and this part too. Like it was remade. And the price too. So the price is 550 euros for this one. So this is actually a very good price for this baby. The interior bag, like, I've put like a plaid blanket inside, so but the interior is like really amazing condition too. So that's it for today. I'm so happy like I've been able to show you these kind of pieces. So for those who doesn't know, now I created my company and I'm gonna have every Sunday a drop live, a luxury item drop live on Instagram and on TikTok. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. European time and 1 p.m. New York City time and 10 a.m. I think Pacific time for Los Angeles, for example, I think. So every Sunday I'm gonna drop some new luxury items on live, and after the live they're gonna be available on the website, so stay tuned. I'm gonna put in description every links of the items I've been showing you and also the links of the website, every information for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know like some people are loving this kind of video. All the pieces are usually from France, so this is really good actually. I'm so happy and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in few seconds because I'm gonna put just after this one here 2 other videos you need to watch. And yes, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye, bisous.